Today I'm gonna talk about this the life of laptop. So no matter what laptop, which brand, and whatever you take, okay, this is gonna last only for 4 years, okay, and maximum up to 5 years with a limited usage, okay. So this is regardless of any brand that you use and any feature that you use, okay. So I'm gonna go ahead with what problem I'm facing with this laptop currently. And in the past I've used many laptops and it lasts about 4 to 5 years maximum, and the fifth year with very limited usage, okay. So I want to tell all of you about that when you buy a new laptop. So let me go ahead. Now you have already seen what I'm talking about. Look at this dark spot. This is not a physical damage, in a sense that I didn't drop it, I didn't put anything on it, I didn't put any pressure on it, but it just happened like this way. So that is the first thing. And many of the laptops I've used before had happened similar ways, okay. And that's the first thing. The second thing is battery. Now this battery I have right here, this dark one is the battery. I don't want to close them and show them because there's no battery. If I move this charger a bit, then this will get lost. So this battery is there, you inserted, you can see it, but when you go here and click it here, yeah, you will see that no battery is detected, right? No battery is detected, but in fact the battery is right here. So this kind of problem will happen in any laptop after 4 to 5 years, okay. Just keep that in mind. And the thing is that the motherboard of this laptop got spoiled, and I had to spend 2,500 Indian rupees, okay. So that's a lot. That is after 4 years. And I've used Dell, Lenovo, and Asus, and including Apple. So actually, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And the thing is that keyboard, these keys, it goes away over time, and maybe in 2 to 3 years you may experience that, but you can repair it. But we're not talking about repair. And now it's 4 years in my case. Let me show you what it happened. So let me open the, okay, just look at this keyboard, okay. Meanwhile I'm typing, I will show here if it don't appear, okay. QWERTY. T and Y, I typed that, you saw, right? T and Y, but it's not appearing here, okay. Y after that UOUIOP. So let's forget about this. Let's say we come here, A S D F G H. These are till H, these are coming right. G H J K L Z Q C B and M. So till here it works fine. So let me check, let me show you this. Control A, it's supposed to select all, right? Control A, nope, it didn't, it's only A. So let me show you with this one. Control A, it didn't click, right? No, Control A. So basically this control is gone, this control button is gone. So let me show you with the right control A. So it selected all, so the left control is gone. So what I'm saying is that the keyboard is also gone, the keypad is also gone. So these are the things, no matter which feature you take, no matter which brand you take, but just keep that in mind that 4 years to 5 years is the deadline of any laptop that you take. So if you don't require that much feature, you better think about it. So that's it. I'll see you in the next video.